I'm from Mumbai. I got to know about new routes from social media, from television. It was around 6 months back I got to know about it. I was also facing a lot of challenge in terms of hair lossing and baldness. So I was looking for some changes in my life, how I'll get more confidence in terms of getting more hair growth and all. So I visited this clinic. Uh, I believe 4 to 5 months back, and I have done my hair transplant 4 months back. The the doctor has explained me all the process, all the details of the process very clearly and precisely. I've gone through this process, and the all the team members over here are very helpful and efficient. They have taken me, have explained me all the details, all the process, everything, and it was a great experience over here. After 4 months, you can see the results. I mean, I am very confident now, and I am looking forward also like the same kind of an experience I will be getting going forward. Thank you very much.